guys, it's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to answer all the comment questions which we do have related to the makeup, the WH questions. Why does my makeup look orangish, yellowish, or why does my blush doesn't last so long? Why my eyeliner gets smudged, why I have to wash my face like before sleeping, why I can't sleep with the makeup. All that question I'm going to answer in this video. So if you are curious to know the details, then you have to continue watching this video. So here we go. So first thing, we all do have a question like, why does my foundation look orange, yellowish, or a grayish one? The answer over here is we have two undertones. One is like yellow and second is pink. Warm undertone and cool undertone. So for that reason, you need to first recognize which category you come under. If it is a yellow undertone and you are still not able to recognize like मेरा yellow है कि pink है, you can go through like you can check your vein color. If it is a green one, then you are a yellow undertone, and if it is a purple or bluish one, the vein color, then you come under the category of a pink undertone. First thing you need to recognize. And still आपको ये भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आप अपना फेस मिरर में यू कैन चेक एंड यू कैन सी कि ज्यादा आपका फेस कलर येलोइश में जा रहा है कि पिंकिश में जा रहा है. फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू दैट. सेकेंड हमें करना है फाउंडेशन सिलेक्शन. जैसे कि अभी हमारा येलो अंडरटोन एंड वी स्टिल यूज अ पिंक अंडरटोन फाउंडेशन, तो आपका फाउंडेशन शेड वो ऑरेंजिश में हो जाएगा. And if you have a pink undertone and use a yellow undertone because you are not knowing कि आपका कौन सा टोन है, तो आपका पूरा बेस मेकअप will turn into peachy because आपने yellow undertone वाला फाउंडेशन लिया है. So I'll give you an example. Like I have two foundation. One, this is from Forever 52 brand. Initially I bought this one FLF 007 and I used to use this because मेरे को लगा कि ये मेरे स्किन टोन का है, but no, it is a pink undertone. और gradually no, after 2-3 years मेरा foundation orangish होने लगा. And then I got to know कि नहीं, I have to buy a foundation that is a yellow undertone. और ये वाला जो मैंने बाय किया है FLF 014, this is almost both the shades are similar, but this is yellow and this is pink, which you should know. तो ये है, I just apply on my face so that you get to know. But आप जब लगाओगे तभी आपको इतना डिफरेंस नहीं पता चलेगा, but after 3-4 hours आपको पता चलेगा कि आपका फाउंडेशन वो थोड़ा कलर शेड चेंज होता जाएगा जैसे इसमें होगा. तो you should be able to know how to identify. And third one is grayish one. Like अपना फाउंडेशन ग्रे क्यों हो जाता है, right? बिकॉज हम जो शेड हमारा रहता है स्किन टोन का, उसका कंप्लीटली हम अलग फाउंडेशन लेकर आते हैं एंड देन अपना जो फेस है टर्न इनटू ग्रेइश वन. अगेन वी आर लॉट ऑफ लाइक हैव लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन कि वो अपने शेड के हिसाब से क्यों नहीं है. यू नीड टू चेक इट ऑन योर जॉ लाइन सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. और इफ आपकी स्किन बहुत ही ज्यादा ऑयली है तो आफ्टर 3-4 आवर्स अगेन आपका फाउंडेशन ग्रे होगा, और if आपने डार्कर शेड लिया तो और वो ग्रे में टर्न होगा. तो इन दिस केस यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर बेस मेकअप. लाइक हाउ यू हैव टू टेक केयर, यू हैव टू डू प्रॉपर स्किन केयर एंड how to prevent to get into grayish one. You have to use a barrier between your skin and your foundation, that is a primer. Primer is very important to use, so I'm going to show how to do it to prevent this kind of a mistake if you are going through with this. So okay, तो अभी मैं बताने वाली हूँ कि कैसे लगाते हैं, क्या क्या स्टेप्स होते हैं to avoid grayish foundation. But if in case like आपका बहुत ही darker shade है, then you have to mix two shade. One is lighter and one is darker. But you have to use a primer for a barrier between skin and your foundation. But in case like you're using a pink undertone and you also have a yellow undertone, you can mix both the foundation so that you can balance out your base. I'm going to use my yellow undertone because I come under the category of a yellow tone. I know this is a bit confusing and it's a vast topic, but I have literally cut down this into a shorter version. So I hope you understand. And if you have any kind of a doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I would like to answer all your questions. So I'm going to not directly have to use this foundation. This is what we all go through, and this is what we all does a mistake. So you should never directly apply it. So first is I'm going to apply a moisturizer, and this is from Nivea. always wash your face before you apply any makeup on your face. Properly blend this moisturizer on your skin. Keep it for some time. This is what I say in all of my video when I am doing my makeup. So guys, if you think that you come under the category of oily skin and you don't have to use a moisturizer, that's not the thing. You have to use it because it literally controls your oiliness of your skin and it just hold down this moisture of your face. For that reason, but make sure which one do you pick. If it is a oily skin, then you have to take a moisturizer that is oil free, not the oily moisturizer. And if it is a dry skin, then definitely you have to take a product of you have to choose a product which has a oil in it. Okay, as I've applied a moisturizer and then I'm using this aloe vera gel. You can skip on this, but as I always apply for a double skincare. But if you want to skip, you can. If you directly apply a primer, that's all fine. But I really need a double protection on my skin. For that reason, I use aloe vera too. And this aloe vera also works as a barrier to your skin, like kind of a primer. Now I'm going to use a primer, but again you have to choose a primer as per your skin category. If it is a oily, then you have to choose a primer accordingly. It has to be oil-free primer because it needs to have a mattifying finish, and if in case you have a dry skin, then you have to choose accordingly. And this is a Miss Claire, and this is a more of a silicone base, a watery color for all skin type. For that reason I'm using this. It does not make your skin like oily, nor it is dry out your skin. And also give you a very smooth finish to your skin. Just need to apply all over your face. And now I'm going to apply a foundation. This FLF 014 yellow undertone, because I come under the category of yellow, so you should know which tone you are. Just taking back of my palm. And if in case you are confused like what is your tone and आपको नहीं पता है, then you can check it on your jawline और neck के बीच में. So you should never check your foundation on your hand because the colors are different on your hand, on your face, on your neck. So you should always check it over here. I've recently learned this technique that you should not drag your foundation. You can do it, but over there like the foundation usage will be more. ज़्यादा product consume होगा ऐसे में. So it's better you just do a dapping process through this application brush. फिर उसके बाद में ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से आपको यूज करना है. I've just wet my beauty blender. Now I'm going to do it in a dapping process. येलो अंडरटोन है, इसके लिए इतना कोई डिफरेंस नहीं दिखता है. इफ शेड भी थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता है, इट्स ऑल राइट बिकॉज वो येलो अंडरटोन है. बट आपको लग रहा है आपका शेड डार्क है तो आपको मिक्स करना है एक लाइट और एक डार्कर शेड के साथ. दिस ओनली ऑप्शन यू हैव टू डू इट. क्योंकि बहुत टाइम क्या होता है, वी रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड जब हम फाउंडेशन लेने जाते हैं लाइटिंग की वजह से, लाइक स्पेशली मॉल की लाइटिंग और कोई स्टोर की लाइटिंग की वजह से यू फील कि इट्स एग्जैक्ट टू योर स्किन कलर, एंड व्हेन यू कम टू योर होम एंड देन यू फील नहीं यार बहुत ज्यादा डार्क लग रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा लाइट लग रहा है, तो अभी क्या करूँ इसमें. तो आपको लाइक दो शेड या वही शेड को थोड़ा कम एप्लीकेशन में लगाना है. So as I've applied my base makeup, and this is not a very heavy coverage, I kept it very natural and very light because I've used a beauty blender. As I always say, using beauty blender will not give you that much of coverage, but it will give you a dewy finish. And the second question we always goes through this: why does my blush doesn't last long, right? क्यों ब्लश रहता ही नहीं है चिक्स पे, सबका रहता है, मेरा क्यों नहीं रहता है, मैंने क्या गलती की, उसने भी वैसे ही लगाया, मैंने भी वही लगाया, पर मेरा क्यों नहीं लग रहा है अच्छे से, लग गया बट अच्छे से क्यों नहीं रह रहा है 3-4 घंटा. This is what we go through, right? So why it doesn't last long? Because we are not protecting, we are not preventing again, we are just layering again and again, like oil के ऊपर foundation के ऊपर blush. So we need to set a foundation first and then we have to use a blush so that it is not like coming down or breaking out your blush, so it will sustain. So always after you use a foundation, you need to set your base makeup, which is a foundation, and then you have to apply a blush for a long lasting. I'm going to use this banana powder from Forever 52. So you might be thinking कि मेरा kind of dry skin है and I don't want to set it all over. It's all right, but at least you can set it this side and especially the under eye after you apply concealer. I haven't applied concealer because there's a next question. I'm going to work on that. I will set with this beauty blender. Now I will use this Revolution Blush On palette. I'll use this color. This is again a powder based blush. So it's purely up to you how much intensity you want of the blush. Accordingly you can use it. I've used this powder base, but if in case you're not using this and you're using a lip cream or a lipstick cream base, not a matte one, you have to make sure that too. I'm using this Miss Claire lip cream. Again, this is a pinkish one. It has a more intensity compared to this one. So I'll take a very less color. So for that too, you need to set this foundation with a loose powder and then you have to use this lip cream. It really have a very huge intensity. This is more of a oily. Can you see that like a difference? It has more of a glowy types, This powder base has a matte finish and this has a creamy finish. So if you don't have a blush on palette, you can use any lip cream too on your cheeks for a blush. This kind of finish it gives more natural, and this is a powder base especially for the oily skin. You can use a powder base blush, but if it is a dry skin, then you can offer a lip cream or a cream based blush, so it will work on your skin more better way. So I've just given the example on both the sides, like there's not that much of difference, but just you need to analyze your skin category, then your face makeup will be more glowy, more like बहुत अच्छे से आएगा. Finish will be very nice. So off camera I've just defined my brow. I just forgot to that. Okay, so now the next question which we have, why does the eyeliner smudge, right? सबकी ये problem होती ही है, most of I guess, मेरी भी थी एक time पे. The only reason we use a lot of emollient products, that's a kind of a concealer, no matter it is a cream base, liquid base or like excess of eye cream gel, कुछ भी हम लगाते हैं नीचे under eyes में, it tend to get more oily after 3-4 hours, and then you apply kajal, it starts sliding down. So due to that, your eyeliner, your kajal tend to smudge. यही reason है. So what's the solution? Like when you apply a concealer, exact solution क्या है इसका? Wait, I'll show you. I'm using this Elegant HD High Definition Concealer. Okay, normally you have to use this first, but as I'm going step by step, so इसके लिए मैंने अभी लगाया है. apply over here also. इसके लिए वो slide होता है. Now we use this beauty blender. As I've applied a concealer, so directly I cannot use this gel based eyeliner. मैं नहीं लगा सकती हूँ because it will smudge. So what you have to do? Very simple. You have to set your concealer. This is a Forever 52 again taking the same concealer. Set it on the under eye. आईलिड सब जगह जहां भी आपने कंसीलर लगाया है सेट करना बहुत जरूरी है. So once you set it, your under eye will be not oily, mattify होगा फिनिश. तो ये रीजन की वजह से आपका स्मज होने की पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत ही कम हो जाती है. ऊपर भी लगाना है. So here I'm done. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner. With this brush you can use anything like a pencil, this gel liner or a liquid liner, up to you. I feel like this is more comfortable. If your hand is not that stable, you can use this gel liner. I'm using again Forever 52 brand. This is one of my favorite brand. इसके products बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा. Normally applying eye to eyeliner. बहुत easily slide हो रहा है. Now we'll use the kajal also. So if you want to know the detailed version ki how to apply eyeliner, what all mistake you might be doing, so if you want to know the details, then you can check my previous video. I am literally made on that. All the mistakes I have covered. So I will be putting the link in my description box, so you can check it on my description. Okay, I've just applied this, and now the technique over here again. You have to, once you have applied concealer, setting it, and then the same color of shadow you have to take so that it doesn't smudge. I'm going to use this Nykaa palette as I've applied a black liner, so I will take a black shadow to set my eyeliner. I'm setting on my liner, on my kajal too. पाउडर बेस से सेट करना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, so now we'll be doing on this side. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I've applied my kajal liner, and the trick is like you have to set with the powder, and on the liner also you have to take the same shadow for setting a liner so that it doesn't smudge and does not slide down. So this is the trick. So next question we all do have, like, why does my lipstick doesn't last long, right? It's a long lasting lipstick, still it is not lasting on my lips. It's just fading or nikal rahi hai meri lipstick. This is what we have a question. It's a lipstick, obviously it will fade and you can reapply. Lipstick कितनी भी long lasting हो, फिर से आपको reapply करना है if वो जा रही है, क्योंकि हम खाते हैं पीते हैं तो जाना ही है वो lipstick. So what you have to do is like you have to first use a lip pencil. If आपकी लिपस्टिक चली भी जाएगी, so that you have a border of your lips, so वो totally नहीं जाएगी, थोड़ा बहुत तो lip tint रहेगा ही आपके lips पे. So I've applied a liner, lip liner on my lips. Now we'll apply lipstick. मुझे बहुत नियॉनिश लगा दी। नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगानी है। Hi, I'll smudge this. It's very neon pink, so I want to make it neutral. I'll use this Nykaa one. The pink one shade is Racy Rose. So this is what I have to do. लिपस्टिक जा रही है तो उसका एक ही इलाज है, आपको फिर से रीअप्लाई करना है। उसका कोई अलग नहीं है, अलग इलाज नहीं है। And the last is, everybody have a question, why does my makeup is not long lasting? I've used all the procedure, proper lipstick, proper liner, blush, सब कुछ मैंने अच्छे से procedure जो दिया है वो मैंने follow किया, but still my makeup is not lasting that much, 3-4 hours. So the question, if you have this, the only answer, you have to set it with your setting spray. Any setting spray again. I am using this Matte Prep Plus Prime to set and to just get sink into my skin. It is really very necessary that all your makeup need to be set and just get absorbed and mixed well with your face. Very important step. You can't forget using a setting spray to set your face makeup. And the last question is, what we do have is like, why should we remove our makeup before we sleep? It is really very important. If we don't do, there are different circumstances which we have to go through. That is like our pores will enlarge and it will turn out into acne, scars, skin issues, lot of problems you might suffer, because the night time is of repairing your skin. It just give you more glow and hydration on your skin, like especially the internal part of your face. So you have to make sure that you do take care of your skin, you do proper skin care, drink a lot of plenty of water for taking skin care. And this is what you have to do on an everyday basis, not again a one day thing. You have to take care at least every day you have to take care. So guys, these are some WH question we do have in our mind, and I hope you have got all your answers of this question. And still you have a question, then you can definitely ask me in the comment section. I would be very glad to answer all your questions. And if it is solved everything, then please click on the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, please hit that bell icon so that you are getting all the notifications of my video, as I do upload 3 videos like Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. So you're always updated with all of my videos, guys. So please stay tuned for my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye, guys.